actually just need to cancel all of your guys' orders. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. If y'all are old, welcome freaking back. In today's video, we are finally shipping out to all these Poshmark and Depop boxes. As you guys know, if you guys haven't watched day 1, day 2, or day 3 of my self-isolation series, I am holding myself up inside of my house because we were required to. I have been sorting out my hoarding room, organizing all of my makeup, and I decided to make mystery boxes so that I can donate all the proceeds to Feeding America. Originally, I was going to donate to multiple sources, but I decided just to donate to Feeding America. It's just a lot easier for me, and that way I can see how much money I've actually donated. So far, we have raised $2,256. What? $2,256. I am gonna round that up to $2,500. I'm gonna add $250 of my own money to that pile so that we are gonna be donating $2,500 to Feeding America. Woo! Oh my god, guys. It's all because of you guys. So yeah, we are into day 7 of the self-isolation series. So here are all of the orders that we have got. Are y'all ready to see this? Are y'all ready to see this? Holy cow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. My printer did mess up. Some of these did not print correctly, so we need to figure that out. But a lot of these are kind of wasted, but holy cow, you guys, I am so excited and happy and thankful that you guys purchased these mystery boxes. I wish I could put more up. I might put maybe a few more up if you guys want to check me out on Depop or Poshmark. But for the most part, I just wanted to make sure every single box was like a good box. So these are all the boxes I currently packaged. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 40, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. We have 42 boxes. I'm so excited about that. So the next step I need to do is put all of these labels onto the boxes. I made little notes on every single box so that I know the correct box to put these labels on. So these are skincare boxes, these are high-end boxes, and then these are the Depop boxes. The last thing I wanted to do was give you guys the wrong box. But let's get started. Oh my god. Just made a mess already. Making a mess downtown, walking fast, faces pass when I'm trying to get home. Please excuse my terrible singing. Just taking the thumbnail. As you guys can see, I organized every single box and made a little note right here. This says Makeup Box 200 in the shade medium. Out. So we are gonna put all this stuff in. Oh my god, not looking forward to that, but we gotta do it. All right, we got everything inside. I have more inside the actual car as well. Let's go. P.S. Look how pretty my freaking backyard is. You guys remember I DIY'd this entire patio? Again, it doesn't look as pretty because all of the curtains are separated, but it's so pretty. Matt and I hung out here yesterday morning before it started to rain, and it was just so beautiful. And here is the rest of the backyard. Just in case y'all have never seen the backyard, it's so pretty. Hello car, we need to name you. I've been wanting to name you and I just haven't found a name yet. Also, look at the other boxes. All right, y'all, I just dropped everything off. The seat is empty next to me. I just hand sanitized my hands just now. We're gonna head home. We're gonna package more boxes. What's up? I'm back home and I gotta wash my hands. Shark wants to drink water.
Huh?
Yeah?
Wash your hands now.
I am washing my hands right now.
Good girl.
Don't even.
Good girl. So proud of my bunny.
Alright, little update here. Matt and I decided we're gonna go to Target to grab some last minute essentials that we need because I actually ran out of tape and I figured this should literally be the last time we go outside for 1 week. So we made it a point that other than me going to USPS to drop off the rest of the boxes, this is our last trip we're gonna ever do for 7 days. So we're gonna grab all of the essentials that we need. Hopefully Target has everything. I'm actually really excited to like not leave the house for 7 days. I'm gonna challenge myself not to do that. We're both trying to make it a game right now to see how long we can survive not ever going outside. Yes, this is the outfit of the quarantine. Got jeans from PacSun. These are the mom jeans. Some Nikes. Sweater from PacSun. Matthew, what's your outfit of the day? You look hot. Hello. Oh my God, we're matching. Look at this.
You're matching me. These are.
I put these on first. Target. Here we are. I do this every time I go to Target. What are the rules again?
Rules are move quick, move fast, stand and distance yourself as much away from people, wipe down the cart before, no lollygagging / vlogging while we're in Target because it's serious time. And that's encouraging people to not take it serious.
But it's my job.
It's your job to set the example.
You're right. Okay, no lollygagging, no touching,
No
stay
vlogging.
away from people, no coughing, no sneezing. Let's do it.
I just want little guys like this. Hold on.
I'm not allowed to lollygag, but we just got him a coffee maker. Holy cow, all the snacks are gone. Cheez-Its, Cheddar Jack? Yes, Cheddar Jack. My favorite ginger beer. Empty, 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 empty. Oh my God, it's freaking empty. Holy cow, I don't think I've ever seen it so empty in here.
Stop lollygagging. Let's go.
What? It's pizza. Almost forgot the one thing I came here for. I bought 2 of these. These are so expensive. These are $7 each. Holy cow. We're heading home now. We had a successful Target trip. We got everything we needed. The only thing we forgot was cream cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the goods. So I'm just gonna put everything away now. Let's do it. So next is I need to package all those orders. Goal is to finish that today. Oh my God, you are so beautiful.
What are you talking about?
How are you lying? Yay guys, I am back in my dungeon. I mean, that makes it sound so negative. I am back in my palace, throne, kingdom. I am back at it, packaging more stuff. As you guys can see, there's not a lot of stuff we have packaged so far, so by the end of today we're gonna have everything nice and packaged. Before we do that though, I wanted to donate all the money you guys helped raise and the money I'm donating myself to Feeding America. So I'm gonna do that right now while you guys are watching. I'm actually so excited to donate. Apparently every dollar is 10 meals, which to me is crazy because what kind of meal is 10 cents? That's crazy. All right, so we are currently on the actual website right now. Hey guys, so I got tagged by Lauren to donate to Feeding America. Tiffany, you have your credit card in your back pocket if you can't find it. All right guys, so I just donated $2,500. Yo, oh my God. A huge part of that is because of you guys. I am so happy I got to make these mystery boxes for you guys so that you guys can enjoy your makeup while also donating to a great cause. It sucks because I wish Depop and Poshmark didn't take such a huge percentage. They took 20%, but yeah! Guys, we did it. Here is the proof that we donated. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. I'm so proud of us, guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much. Tea is so... Shark? Did you just fall? What kind of cat are you? Oh my God, Shark literally just fell. Are you okay? You look so scared. What happened? What I was saying before freaking Shark scared the crap out of me. So the other day, I literally broke down and cried in Matt's arms. I tweeted this after it happened because I was just in my feelings that night and I got so sad and I just felt so guilty because I am very aware that I live a life of luxury. I am very lucky. Like, I'm not worried about myself, but I am worried about a lot of my friends. I've had a couple of friends who've lost their jobs already. It's just so crazy. I feel like this is 2008. I remember in 2008 when my family was really scared about making our next mortgage payments. I just felt so helpless because I feel like I'm not doing enough. I just genuinely don't believe I am doing enough. I just feel so guilty. I feel guilty that I can't physically help anybody and that the only way I can help people is by donating money and staying at home. So for those of you guys who are not taking this self-isolation seriously, y'all need to stay at home. That is all. I know these videos are supposed to be positive, so I don't want to rant about it too much, but y'all need to stay at home. I'm gonna start packaging all the orders again. So yeah, let's go ahead and start packaging with me. Guys, little update here. It is literally 9 p.m. I am so dead, so tired. I've been doing this for like hours and hours and hours. I think I put probably 50 hours of work into making these boxes for you guys in total. So I just ate dinner with Matt. Matt made us ravioli with Beyond Beef meat. Beyond Meat, by the way, is vegan, just in case you guys didn't know that. It's actually really freaking good. It's been so much easier to go vegetarian because they have such good veggie options now versus when I tried to go vegan about 4 or 5 years ago. It was nowhere close to being as good as it is now. I need to organize some more mystery boxes because I didn't make enough for these Depop orders. I'm so over this. I'm so ready to be done with this. You guys are probably so over me filming these videos, but we're gonna organize a little bit more and then let's get back onto it. P.S. I don't think I've shown you guys this yet, but look at how empty these makeup bins are. This used to be overfilling. This is all of my lipsticks, which used to be in a giant bag. All of my blush and highlighters and bronzers are almost gone. Zoe's over there looking pretty cute. My skincare now is only in 2 buckets. Bucket there, bucket here. And then I have my hair stuff, makeup brushes. This is my eye stuff. It's only in 1 bucket now. It used to be in 2 giant buckets. I'm literally getting rid of so much stuff. It's so exciting. Hey guys, little update here. So it is currently 11:30 p.m. I am literally losing all of my steam. I have finished all the US orders. The only problem is I just started doing all of my international babes orders and I am so freaking sorry, you guys. I actually just need to cancel all of your guys' orders. I started doing the shipping. Shipping is literally $60 per box. I don't even know how. I know it's because these boxes are kind of heavy. They're like 3 to 4 pounds each. Literally guys, shipping is $60. It was actually more expensive to ship the boxes to you guys than the amount you guys paid for the box. Unfortunately, since this is going to be donated to Feeding America, I just don't think it's right for me to ship out a box that I only received like $38 for and then shipping it out for $70. Like literally, I kid you not, guys. Hold on, where did it go? Oh my god, I wish I could show you guys. I exited out of it, but just to ship to Mexico was $80, and Mexico is right next to the United States. It's so close to Los Angeles. So I am so sorry if you guys are international. I was so excited to ship to you guys, but I cannot believe it was going to cost literally $70. I would have lost money, and it's not even me. Like Feeding America would have lost money because all of its money is going to Feeding America. So I'm so freaking sorry, you guys. From the bottom of my heart, I feel so freaking bad that I cannot send this out to you guys. I love you guys so much. I don't know how yet, but I want to make it up to you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. As you guys can see, these are all the Depop orders I am shipping out. I am just waiting on a few more boxes. I have all the boxes organized with the labels ready and everything. So once I get these boxes, they are going out to you guys. I am expecting these boxes in 1 or 2 days, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna ship out the ones that I already have so that you guys don't have to wait any longer. But I'm really sad. I just have to refund everyone that was international. I'm so sorry. I feel so freaking bad. But all of those international babes that I had to refund your orders, I am putting the boxes up back online. So if you guys didn't get a chance to get anything, I am gonna have them back on Depop. PayPal takes 3% of every order, no matter if you refund the order. So they're gonna be keeping like $4 for every order that I just refunded, which is gonna suck. I don't know. It's a struggle boat. That's my bad though, you guys. I am so sorry I didn't do more research before. I'm mind blown right now. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I am so freaking sorry, but I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed isolation day 7. After this video, I'm gonna have 1 break day, so I'll see you guys in 2 days. But yeah, if you guys made it to the end of the video, I want to know. So comment down below which city and state and country were you born in. I was born in Sacramento, California, in the United States of America. All right, that is it. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.